Come back here. Well, I can't. Ducky, revive me. Revive me. No.
Oh, Ducky got there before I did. I chopped him in half.
Dude, I shot you.
What happened?
No, we should just obliterate every time we bridge with the shotgun.
I've got a pistol.
Ow.
I'm not used to wired headphones.
Here's a group. Did you see that they're all like falling and getting up?
Oh, help. I see what you're saying with lagging, Ducky.
Wait, why was you saying the fast time?
Because Castro was trying to sleep. Ricky, I'll meet you at the top.
Okay. Oh, it does that.
Great way to ruin a moment.
Dude, you were climbing up and I just like climbed up your back. You know you can vault over other people.
I can do what?
You can vault over other people. Like, you know, you launch yourself off the zombies. Okay, grappling the...
Actually,
there
do you want to kill some of these zombies?
Oh crap, no, I'd rather die first. Somebody want to revive me?
Where are you?
On top of the van.
Oh my god. Didn't you learn the first time?
Oh crap!
Yeah, you did it with me too.
No. Oh crap! Climb on here.
How do you repair your tools again?
Triangle. There we go. Are you guys coming?
I'm actually like kinda good right here.
I thought we were going to the top of the bridge.
Oh, I'm getting hit.
Oh crap. Not a car. I repeat, that was not a car.
Did you try to do?
Revive me, somebody! Oh, you're the only person. The only thing you lose when you kill yourself is survivor points. So anybody? Viewers? Really? That all? Oh, it's 10,000. Never mind. That's a lot. How did you lose 10,000?
I like how you had to think about that. You were like, wait, that's a lot.
Well, no, I normally lose 4,000, so I was thinking you only lose 1,000.
Oh my god, I almost didn't grab that.
Oh, you guys, we need to go halfway up the bridge so we can sleep and do this bridge at night.
Remember we already did that?
Yeah. Crap. No, my weapon is not broken. I will not accept it. No. My love. You have been so kind to me.
I see somebody, but I can't tell who it is. Oh, it's Ducky! Ducky, look halfway up on the bridge. I would shoot, but oh, I just threw a flare like a retard. I need ammo. Yeah. I can't see you jumping, but I can see your arrow. Oh, I can actually see you jumping now. Hold on, let me switch to a police rifle. I might actually see you better. I can see you better with the police rifle. Can somebody please bring me some pistol and some rifle ammo?
Wait, what happened? Did he just jump off the bridge? Oh.
Alright, Ricky. Stay at the base. You're gonna have to revive me when I die.
Okay. If I die first.
I just kind of ran across, like YOLO. You know, it's not any more encouraging that the bottom of my screen on Twitch says time to leave.
Oh wait, I forgot. There's a little cheat to get up to the top of the bridge faster. Or halfway, I think.
Oh my god, how?
You go to the bottom of the bridge, down where the water's at, and you climb up from the bottom.
Yeah, we found that, remember?
Yeah.
I knew about that. I thought you meant like... Dude, this is further than I've gotten. Other than that last time we did it.
When we went all the way to the top?
Yeah.
This is.
I don't remember how to get up any further than that, though.
Nice.
I
have like 2 electronics, I think. Maybe 3.
I'm guessing that? Yeah.
No,
I have a bunch if you need them.
How much do you have?
No, him. I've got a few in my survivor bag, and I've got, how do you go? Oh, right there. Duh. Ricky, are you still failing? Are you using the grappling hook?
Yeah. That one was a total fail, though.
I was gonna say, because I've made it almost all the way to the top, and I haven't died yet.
Well, I'm also very not cautious.
Oh, neither am I. I'm just kind of trying to figure out where to go. Other than that, I don't remember. Oh, I just fell down. Obviously that was not the way to go.
Ask Cody. I'll sit there and like be halfway up, and then I'll just randomly jump off the side for no apparent reason.
Like a retard.
Then you can't even fucking fix it. Why not?
Oh. I guess that's how you do that.
I just got a random 5,000
Oh.
survival points for no apparent reason.
I kind of don't understand what to do here. Oh, wait.
Sus.
Got it.
Whoa, my inventory's full. Where at?
I love zip lines. They're awesome. Oh, I found a flag up here.
Oh, yeah.
You found what? Oh my god, you're gonna be able to make a bow with 28 other pieces of string.
Oh!
Well, I'm just kind of like zip lining back and forth between the towers.
The thing is with the grappling hook, it doesn't automatically grab a hold and climb up. Sometimes.
I really wish there was a safe zone up here so we could all converge up here.
There's a bed up there at some point.
What's that?
Go back to that one zip line, and there's, or it's on the very top, maybe on the very top. There's
I'm
a
on
bed
the
up
very
there.
top.
Is there a bed up there?
I don't know. I didn't check the other side. I found a flag on the other side. Oh, what is this? Oh, I found a lockpick. Oh my god, I forgot how to do these.
Lockpicks?
Yeah, I forgot how to dying light. I got it. I got it. Oh my god, and all it is for $250 pouch and a short zip line. Are you kidding?
No, you actually get a blueprint up there too. I think.
I know, we already got it. It was for, I don't know, it was on my other character. No! Oh my god. I have 1 health. Dude, I'm trying to go down, but I went down the wrong way.
Oh, did you go into the water?
No, I fell off the side.
Oh, nice.
And I hit one of the things. Alright, I'm like partially down. There should be a bed somewhere right here.
Yeah, there's a bed somewhere over there.
I think it's right here. Oh, I might have went down too far. But not far enough.
Maybe.
I don't know. I don't see the bed. Maybe it's on the other side.
It's inside a
Jumped
door.
off.
Like you actually have to.
Yeah,
open the door.
I know it is. I don't know which one. Oh my god, and it's not that one, so I gotta climb back up.
Maybe this one. Probably yes.
It should have done it with just me and his saw. Pushing the luck. Okay, well, I can't find the bed. I'm pretty sure they took it off.
Pretty sure it's right here. Oh wait, no.
You're further down than me, though. No, I was down there.
Yeah, I know.
I took the grappling line down.
What grappling line?